Ladies, that marry me chicken is not getting the job done. I'm trying to tell y'all. But this chicken proposed to me pasta is guaranteed to get him down on bended knee. Such an easy recipe. Watch this. Boil a pot of water, add salt, and then add your pasta. I'm using spaghetti. I'm making this Cajun style, so I'm going to be using more than chicken. Add a little olive oil, then add some bacon, some minced garlic, some andouille sausage, and let all those flavors come together. Next, we're gonna add 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now for flavor, I'm using that straight drop rub. All the Cajun flavor you need without the spiciness. Get it from unforgettable.com. Once your bacon, sausage, and chicken are fully cooked, remove and set it to the side. Next, deglaze with some chicken stock. Add just a little bit of butter and 1 cup of heavy cream. Our creamy Cajun sauce is coming together nice, but you gotta add that spice. Throw a little bit more of that straight drop rub to give it the flavor it needs. Add some Parmesan cheese on top, fresh grated of course. If your sauce is too thick, just add a little bit of pasta water to thin it out. Next, add your pasta, mix to combine, and then go ahead and add your chicken, sausage, and bacon. I sliced up those chicken thighs into nice little bite-sized pieces. Add a little bit of parsley. I like to finish mine with a little bit of lemon, especially right over the top. Now, if this don't get him on bended knee, ladies, I don't know what to tell you. Grab this full recipe in the link in my bio or uncledibs.com.
That's good, shawty.